whakataua le tātou anga nuu ia ai maisela fui ia le paonga ino le ngangana Samoa. Ato te wala awa tuai o le nganga maulalo i le Aiono fausia le fionga ia Aiono e seta Okenaisa Fauolo ia le taimile nei o lau fausanga whaamamole ia tu whakasi o awa whafeloa e.
Ole toa tele o tangata e ngangana ai ia ole ola fo ile na ai ole tāua le na ia e o lava lai le nei vai tau ata tu ai fo ia tu lang ole teknolosi e o fo le tamau ainga ole tele lava me tātou te whaonga ina le nei tai ia o mea made in China ai afa pea e tau mawhai a whaile tau te ilo e tāua tau te ilo o le tofi tau te ilo o ma mea na o le pesili la e fia watu e tuturi loa Faafetai ona e iloa e le leila ngangana.
Every doorway, every intersection has a story. She is standing before you today because of this very program, Taiala Leadership, here in the Intersection Inc. I am truly humbled once again. Like I said, every doorway, every intersection has a story, and that is my story. I wouldn't be able to tell you that story today, this morning, if it wasn't for this very program. But here, what I'm trying to share with you this morning is that it's true that you can make an impact. And I've shared that at one time, and I know some of them knows that. It's called TINTI, T-I-N-T-I, to impact, not to impress. You can make an impact. You can make a mark. But if you don't truly understand why you're serving, then you'll never be able to define what makes a good leader. Like serve without wanting to be noticed. Serve behind the background with contentment. Serve with a true and sincere heart, knowing that you will leave a mark behind for the next generation to find the way. In due season, you will be exalted by working behind the scenes. And it'll be amazing just hearing those kids coming back to you and be like, Tinti, like earlier today, this morning. And again, Tinti is to impact, not to impress. But I pray that you will be empowered. I pray that you will be a person of impact and you'll be able to set a mark and set a stone for the next generation that is coming behind. May you have a blessed day and serve.
So the question is, what is child sexual abuse? It is any sexual act between an adult and a minor when one exerts power over the other. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Oh, because they're happy. Let's try again. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're hungry and you know it, clap your hands. Got Mike. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will really show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're not happy, you can stand up and go outside. Jokes, I'm kidding. No one stand up. If you're not happy, you can stand up and say goodbye. But if you're happy and you know it, then your face will really show it. If you're happy and you know it, scream, I'm happy.
Yeah, and try to mingle, try to mix. Go, don't just sit with your peer leaders. Go from your school. Yeah. These are our groups, our sites.
family mule I e te tainga nui mātou, I tua whal bile kari sa matuteo le wala awa tuai nei. Amene.